Good morning, students. Let's continue our chapter from civics, market around us. So we have in our previous class we have discussed about importance of a market and benefits of marketing. Today we will discuss channels of distribution. Now, what are the channels of distribution? Okay. There are many ways of distribution in the marketing process. These channels of distribution can be grouped into two broad categories: direct channel and indirect channel. So, if you are distributing your things for a sale in a market, there are two types of distribution. Okay, one is direct and another one is indirect. Now, what are those direct channels and indirect channel? Direct channel: when the producers sell their goods directly to the consumer, it is an example of the direct channel. No middleman is present between the producer and the consumer. There can be two types of direct channel: through traveling salespersons and through retail shops or showroom. Now, direct channel, there is no middleman. Okay, here the producer and the consumer directly deal with each other. Okay, the consumer can directly buy products from the seller, okay, or the producer. Whoever is producing, whoever is manufacturing the product, they can directly sell their things to the consumer. Okay, now consumers, they are direct channels are also of two types. One is through traveling salespersons and through retail shops or showroom. Now, the traveling salesperson, you must have you must have your salesman. Sometimes they used to knock at your door, right? I have this product, please buy this thing, this has this benefits and all. They used to say like that. They are the direct traveling salesperson. Okay, they used to travel door to door. Another one is through retail shops or showroom. You can find a product in a retail shop or a showroom. Retail shop means a grocery shop or a small shop where you will find everything, like a garment shop, grocery shop. These are the retails. Okay. The producers employ salesperson to contact the potential buyers. You must have seen salesperson coming to your doorstep and persuading your mother to buy product from them. In this form of direct selling, the salesperson tells the customer about the special feature of the product and how to use it. So I have already explained this, right? Traveling salesperson. The producers, whoever is manufacturing their product, they used to employ salespersons. Okay, sales and marketing, they used to have a certain person for their product to sell, and those salesperson used to visit door to door. Right, in your house also some salespersons might have come to sell their product. They used to say special features or benefits of the product in order to sell their product. So those are the person, a traveling sales boy or a salesperson. The producer themselves may also set up retail shops or showrooms in different localities and sell their goods directly to the consumer. Now, there are certain shops also where the retailers, where the producer, they have set up their showroom. Like for example, you can take an example of a sweet shop. Okay, they used to make their sweets in their shops only. They are the producer only, and they have also a retail shop, so that they don't have any middleman or they do not have any traveling salesperson. They can directly deal with the customer. Customer can go to their shops and buy the product. So that is also called a direct selling. You must have seen factory outlet or showrooms set up by companies. Some examples are Bata Shoes, Maruti Automobiles, McDonald's, Raymond's, etc. So these are the Bata. They are the manufacturer only, and their product name is Bata, and you will find Bata showroom, right, where you will find all the products manufactured in Bata company only, like KFC, McDonald's. They used to produce their product in their factory only, or sometimes the customer, like these McDonald's, KFC, they used to prepare their product in the showroom only, okay, their outlet only. So these are called direct channel, where the producer can directly deal with the consumer or the customer. There is no middleman. Now indirect channel, when the producer sell their goods to the consumer through a middleman, it is an indirect channel. There can be 4 types of indirect channels. So there are indirect when there was a middle person. Okay, producer and the customer cannot deal with each other directly. There will be a middleman. From that middleman, the producer sells their product and the customers buy their product. Okay, and there are 4 types of indirect channel. Number 1 is retailers. Those who are engaged in retail trade are called retailers. The producers supply goods directly to retailers, who in turn sell them to consumer. No wholesaler is involved. Now retailers, sometimes retailers used to buy product from the producer or the manufacturer, then they will sell those products, and they used to keep their profit also. Retail means a shop where you will find everything, like a pawn shop, from a very small pawn shop to a very big garment shop, grocery shop, everything. That is called a retail shop, okay, and the person who is the owner of that retail shop are called retailers. So retailers sometimes used to buy product directly from the producer and sell them to the consumer. Okay, now wholesaler. The producer may supply goods in bulk to the wholesaler, who in turn directly sell this product in a small quantity to the ultimate consumer. No retailers is involved. Now the wholesalers also. Here in Siliguri also you will find a lot of wholesale shop where a consumer can directly go to the wholesaler and buy the product. Here also wholesaler buy the product from the producer, and then those wholesalers sell those product to the consumer directly. Okay, so here middleman is wholesaler. In our previous example, part, that is retailer is a middleman between a producer and a consumer. Okay, wholesaler and retailer. Now the producer supply goods in bulk to the wholesalers, who sell goods in a small quantities to the retailers. The retailers then sell these goods to the consumer. Now the wholesaler and the retailer. The wholesalers used to buy product from the producer in a large quantity. Okay, then they will sell those product to the retailers, little bit in a small quantity. Then the retailers will sell to the consumer. Like for example, if you have a shop, pan dukan, okay, you will go to the first, if you are the owner of that shop, you have to go to the wholesalers. Wholesalers already buy product from producer. Then you will go to the wholesaler and you will buy some product from wholesaler. Then you will sell those products to the consumer. Okay, so here there are 4 channels. First, the producer, they used to sell their product to the wholesaler. Then the wholesalers sell their products to the retailers, and the retailers sell their products to the consumer. So here there are 2 middlemen. One is wholesaler and another one is retailers, between producer and the consumer. Next is agent, wholesaler and retailer. The producer supply goods in bulk to the agent. The agent in turn sell the goods to the wholesaler. The wholesaler then sell the goods to the retailer. The retailer sell the goods to the consumer. Now here are 3 middlemen: agent, wholesaler and retailers. Okay, the producers supply goods in bulk to the agent, in a huge quantity to the agent. Then the agent sells those products to the wholesaler. Then wholesaler sells the product to the retailer, and after that retailer sells those products to the consumer. So here are 3 middlemen: agent, wholesaler and retailers. Okay, so everyone will have their profit also. First, the producer, they will have their profit, then they will sell the products to the agent. Now agent, if agents are buying those products to the wholesaler, then obviously agent will also have certain amount of profit. Then the wholesaler will sell those products to the retailer. Again, wholesaler will have some profit. Then the retailer sells the product to the consumer. Obviously, retailer also have some profit. So that from producer to the retailers, they will have certain amount of profit with them. So if the middlemen are more in number, like here 3 isn't wholesaler and retailers, that means the amount of the product will rise a little bit because everyone have their profit. Okay, so these are the wholesaler direct channel and indirect channel. In indirect channel, producer directly sell the products to the consumer, and in indirect channel there are a middleman. Okay, sometimes only retailer, sometimes only wholesaler, sometimes both retailer and wholesaler, and sometimes there are 3 agent retailers and wholesalers. That is indirect distribution. In our next class, we will discuss about types of trade. Okay.